Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We are back to play some cards, and it is the next day. With our Soviet-German control deck. I've played some more matches with the Aichi OTK. Because I'm heading for rank 1 with this deck. It is very slow but steady. In the meantime, we are on rank 10. But for the Soviet control footage, we go for the casual matches. So it is a clear test if we make it with the Aichi OTK up to rank 1. Nothing changed to the deck. Last video I changed one from the people for the entrapment countermeasure. It worked fine when we played it, and last video I think we got 1 victory, 1 loss. So we will see how we perform today. We are facing a Soviet deck. Might be self-damage. So we will definitely keep the Zhukov. Armor train is actually pretty nice, and we keep the airstrike for some potential counter plays. Depending on what we are seeing here. Okay, our opponent plays nothing, but he greets us, so greetings back. Okay. So we will go for some card draw here. It might get removed. Okay, no removement. Then we go for the rifles. Scorched Earth is really doing nothing here, because we do not want to move those units anyway. And now we go for the train now. So where do the infantry guys spawn? To the right of the armored train or to the right of the line? To be sure, we place it on the far right, so the yak will be guarded and not put sideways if we pull out one of these light infantries. Okay, so he played a tank here, and if we remove it with the hammer, he draws a card. But I think that is okay. So now we draw a card. Oh, there was a misplay now. We will overdraw next turn. So we will draw another card and another sickle. And this time we will go for the airstrike. That will probably proc, so we won't overdraw next turn. Oh, Doubting System, that is a very good card. Could have countered our tractor factories. So Interception has been discarded. And this deals 3 damage. Just 1 damage point too much. But we of course can clear this with our removals here. Now we are running pretty low on health in the meantime. So maybe it is time for this one to get traded in. And we lose this and this. And we have 1 credit left. And yeah, we will move the infantry to the front line. So maybe next turn we can move the train to the front line. So he has the same thing as we do. And oh, it's guarded. Yeah, so entrapment would be not the best option here. But we will go to the front line with our armored train. And the problem if we go for the Night Hunters and he plays the 272nd Infantry, we are facing a big tank that we actually do not want to see. So we go for the yak here. Okay. So we have some sort of board clear here. So he is obviously thinking how he can remove this tank. What is he gonna use? Oh, he's researching. Okay. because he wants to go for Bletchley Park or what. So we need 3, 6, 8. And we can play a Jura for a total of victory. Is there any restriction? No, all Soviet units. Yeah, so this time our deck worked pretty well. Though we have to admit that we do not really know what kind of deck our opponent played. Some sort of card draw control. Yeah, that is the problem with the casual matches, that you do not play the standard decks, or maybe you have a higher chance not to face the standard decks because people are trying new deck ideas and or they try the standard decks to get familiar with them. But nonetheless, we just want to show, or we just want to see this this kind of deck, and yeah. I think therefore it's okay. So next turn we will waste the Blitz ability of the Cossacks, but at least we got a +1/+1. And yeah, if we are facing a German control deck here, that would be not so good. Okay. Ah yes, okay. Airstrike. So next turn we can play the Yak, if this survives. Perfect target for the sickle here. Yeah, but since this is German control, our opponent is favored in this matchup. Because the German control cards have more value than the ones that we play. Because we are lacking 2 or 3 elite cards that could really boost the strength of our deck. Yeah, tactical strike is okay. I guess we go for an entrapment here. So if he plays another Blitz unit, we have something in hand here. But I guess there will be just another removal. Oh, okay. So we have 5 plus 6 is... No, if you play this one, we get another damage point. So we have refill here. Just in case there is something, some countermeasure. Okay, there's no countermeasure. Yeah, okay, nice. Today we are doing great. So let's go for another match and see if we can win this too. Yeah. Might be a little bit shorter today, the video, but I guess it's just for showcasing here something. We are not targeting some goals here. Yeah, Americans. Okay, so basically there are two types, no, three types in the meantime that we see often. Frontline, ramp, and this order deck with just, yeah, 4 or 5 units. Keep the entrapment here. Okay, this is ramping. So yeah, but you cannot tell by now what kind of deck this is, because the order deck also runs a lot of ramp cards. Okay, and there is the first tank, first unit. But I wonder why he has to use the tank. So what kind of cards can he have? Some big guys. He does not have the rangers. Okay, some more ramping. Maybe he has strategic bombing, or okay, this smells like, no, this smells like a broken giant, but he has enough credits to do so. So I have no clue what is happening here. So maybe no carpet bombing does not make any sense. Annihilation? Oh, damn. Our entrapment is gone. So, light infantry, come off the train from wherever you are, from Siberia, from the Far East Soviet outland. Ooh, I hate this card. But we actually can protect ourselves here. No, go for the yak. Get some card draw here. And next turn, okay, he buffs it. That is bad. So I thought next turn we can sickle this guy away. Tactical strike, perfect card. And we will refill some of our defense. Oh, and he's surrendering. Okay, yeah. Yeah. We are running very well this time. So did we play our first German card in the third match? Didn't pay attention for the mission. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we played 3 matches and are recording just for 20 minutes. But maybe, yeah, that should be enough for this episode. Yeah, another thing what I wanted to mention is the future of the channel. I don't know how long we can keep this format up, that I try to build a deck and play this deck to achieve some targets, especially if I compare this channel to other cards channels where most of the people show specific deck types and deck ideas and showcase them in 3 to 5 matches. maybe that is something people are more interested in, and yeah, rather than watching me grinding up the ladder and playing the same decks over and over again. And what I've already said on Monday, that I do not have any other deck ideas right now, especially since we do not have the complete collection of cards. So I don't know if we want to keep playing like this, that we play the Soviet control deck for the next 2 weeks until I have a new deck idea, or if should make some thoughts about new decks and stuff like that, and just send the next video in when I have a new deck idea. So tomorrow is if you put it the normal way, the last episode of the week, where we will continue this Soviet German control deck, and next week we will probably start with our common pack opening Monday, and maybe it depends on how far I can climb the ladder this weekend. If we go to rank 1, we are pretty free in our deck choice. Maybe we go for something else, some older deck that we played in the past. Or we will just open packs, play 2 matches, and that's it for the week until I have a new idea of what kind of deck I can show you. If you have some thoughts about this idea, please send them in the comment, or if you like to see the ladder grind and showcasing this Soviet control deck, and you want me to keep on going like this, send it in the comments, please. Or if you want just new deck ideas, please put that also in the comments. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel. That's it for this video, and thank you for watching.